So recording is running or not? Yes. So good morning. How are you?
Yeah, very good morning. I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also great. Thanks for asking. So I would like to know yourself. Could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, as you know, my name is Ghanendra Bhardwaj, and I'm calling you from Uttar Pradesh, Ghaziabad. And recently, I have completed my graduation, and these days I'm just focusing on my communication skills and spoken English. And as far as my hobbies are concerned, I like to play cricket and listen to the music. And moreover, I have a YouTube channel where I upload conversational videos over there. That's all.
Yeah, so it's nice to hear you. So what is your YouTube channel name?
My YouTube channel name is English with Ghannu.
English bit?
Ghannu, Ghannu.
Okay, okay, I got it. So recently you have completed graduation. So which subject have you completed?
Yeah, I have completed my graduation in computer science.
Okay, yeah, it's great.
Yeah. Okay. And okay. So before we move further, I would like to know about yourself also. So would you mind introducing
Yes,
yourself?
sure. Yes, sure. My name is Mansi. I am from MP. Currently, I am living in Hyderabad. As far as my qualification is concerned, I have completed graduation, BSc Computer Science. And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are reading book, speaking English, learning new things, exercise, running. That's all about me.
Okay, that's great. So you are into music, right?
What are you saying?
I'm saying, are you into music? Do you love to listen to music or do you sing?
Music?
What do you do? Yeah.
No, 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 no. I was saying my hobbies are speaking English, running, exercise, reading book.
Okay. Okay, got it. Okay. I think I misheard something. It's okay.
Yes, yes, really. So tell me about your English journey. When did you start?
Actually, I've started my YouTube and spoken journey in the month of January of 2024, means this year itself. So since then, I have
Okay.
been learning this language. Yeah, that's all of my journey, I would say.
Your voice is breaking up. You are not
Uh,
visible.
now, now can you see me?
Yes, now okay. Yes, now okay.
Okay. Just hold on. Hello?
Again, you are not visible.
Maybe there is a network issue.
Yes, now okay.
Okay. So you hail from Hyderabad.
Yes.
Yes. So, I know something about Hyderabad because I have never been to Hyderabad, and you are the first person who I'm connecting with from Hyderabad. So would you like to say something about Hyderabad?
Yes, so yeah, so if I talk about Hyderabad, so I am from MP. Currently, I am living in Hyderabad. So here, mother tongue is Telugu language. I don't know how to speak Telugu language. So I decided I should learn English language. So really, and if when this time I'm living Hyderabad, so it's a need. I should learn Telugu language because mother tongue is Telugu language.
So apart from English language, how many languages do you know?
I know only Hindi, English. I know only two languages.
So the people who are living in the Hyderabad, all the people speak in Telugu language.
Yes, some people speak Telugu language. All people speak Telugu language, and some people speak Hindi language. So it's not difficult for me. I can speak only Hindi language here.
So why are you learning this language?
Yeah, because this time I'm living here. So one day I decided I should learn English language or Telugu language. So Telugu was very difficult for me. So I was thinking I should learn English language. So maybe it will be good for me. So that's why I'm learning English.
Okay, so when did you start your journey?
Yeah, I started my English journey for 1 year. I have been speaking English for 1 year.
Okay. It's when you started your journey from the scratch. I mean, you were at a zero level, or you had some knowledge
Yes,
about English
yes.
when you started.
No, no, no. I started my English journey from zero level. That time I didn't have knowledge what is water, what is state of being, what is compulsion. So I started my English journey from zero level. I had knowledge about tenses. I can make sentence very well. But if I talk about speaking, so I was not able to speak like tenses. Yeah, so I started from zero level.
That's great.
Yes. So do you read any book?
Oh, I don't read. Like 2 years ago, I used to read books, but these days I'm not reading any kind of.
Okay. So do you have idea? Do you do you have idea if we are read any book? So how can we read? How should we read?
Uh, like how should we read? Like maybe you can read that book aloud. You know, like as we are talking right now, in that tone you can read that book so that it can improve your pronunciation as well. And of course, it's gonna improve your vocabulary or sentence formation for sure. But if you read it aloud, don't read that book in your mind. Just speak those words which you are reading. That would eventually gonna help you in your pronunciation. Okay, I used to read, but
Yes.
at that time I told you that 2 years ago I used to read, but at that time I was not learning English, so I used to read that in my mind. But whenever these days I get the time, so I just go to the Google and search the stories, and then I just read those stories.
Really. Really, and really, if we want to improve English, if we want to enhance our vocabulary as well as, so we must read English storybook because when we read any book, so definitely sometime we get difficult vocabulary. After that, we will search what is meaning about this vocabulary. So there we can improve our vocabulary as well as we can see our result. What is my result? Can I translate this book? Can I translate this story or not? So really reading is very helpful and today I read one story. Today I read one story, so I would like to share with you. Okay, so can I share with you?
That's right. Go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I will try. Okay, I will try.
That's it.
Once upon, yeah, once upon a time, an old lady was living in city in India. So her colony member said Amma. Okay, so one day Amma was going to market. She saw in the on the street one poor lady is cleaning street. That time Amma went to adjacent her poor lady. She told, "What is your dear? What is your name and where do you live? And now you wear torn sari. How did your sari get torn?" Poor lady replied, "Dear, my name is Leela. I am living in worker family with my husband and with my son, and one day I was hurry, so that's why my sari got stuck iron nail on the door. And this time I'm living with my husband and son. My husband does not provide money for taking food and some needs. So that's why I'm doing job. I do clean every day street. Okay, so after that, Amma asked again. So after that, what do you do? Leela replied, every morning, late night, late evening, I collect some old clothes, some plastic, some garbage, and then I clean because this is my work. Okay, so that time Amma was sad. Amma decided I should help poor lady. I should help poor lady. So that time she gave some money, some clothes, some books, some toys for boy. So that time Leela was happy and Leela told, this time no one wants to help me and only only few person can understand my problem. So really I want to say thank you so much. And one day what happened, Amma was going to same street. That time Amma got accident. All member was seeing accident. They were crowded. But that time Leela was cleaning on stage. She decided I should see what happened, why there are too much crowded. When she went to adjacent Amma, she saw Amma got accident. She decided I should help Amma. After that, Leela went to hospital with Amma. Okay, so whenever Amma become conscious, so she told me, I want to say thank you so much. I'm over the moon because of you. This time I can live my life again. So we should help any person. We should not think about if I will help this person, so it will be good for me or not. So really, yeah. So this. So today I learned, so that's why I decided I should share with you.
And it was a nice story. And so, where did you read it from?
What?
Where did
What
you
are you
where did
saying?
you where did you read this story from? Consider.
Yeah, I watched the YouTube video, then I read,
Okay.
then I read. Yes.
Like you watched the video.
So really, only few person can understand what is my problem. So we should help. And now, if we will help any person, so definitely in future, that person will help.
Right. Alright. So
Really.
you read this
And
story
what
today?
is and what? What are you asking?
You read this story today?
Yes. Yes. I read
Yes.
today. Sometimes
Actually,
your
I
voice is big.
okay. I've got some work, so I have to go. I'll call you later. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
And thank you.